Each year, select choir students compete at the All-State competition in hopes of bringing home vocal gold. I sat down with this year's All-Staters to learn more about the preparation that goes into carrying on the Titan legacy. After a rigorous audition process, where the top vocalists from all over the state come together to form an advanced level choir. This year, Lee Summit West contributed 6 All-Staters to the group, 2 of which are seniors Hayden Hoggett and Devin Hoagland.
You audition with an excerpt that everybody is given, and the thing that they're looking for is like musicality. How do you make that piece your own? And are you doing enough to be at the All-State level? And so that's how I got into All-State.
Hoagland is a 2-time member of the All-State Ensemble, singing bass both his junior and senior year. He credits his involvement in orchestra and choir to his success as a soloist.
Individual practice outside of those really is just more critiquing your personal voice and your style.
Similar to Hoagland, Hoggett has been taking voice lessons since her freshman year, all in preparation for the All-State audition.
I feel like I've mostly motivated myself because I always want to be the best. And I think it's also I don't want to let people down.
Choir isn't the only performing she does. Hoggett is frequently seen on stage at West, most recently as Cinderella in Into the Woods.
I've been doing theater since like third grade consistently, so it's something I really enjoy and has helped me develop a lot of skills.
While practice outside of school is a large part of the preparation before competing, it is not the only influence to succeed.
In high school, freshman year, the seniors and the juniors were a huge part of influencing my love for it all and my kind of motivation. I always tell people that the fall concert of 2019, Una Voce sang 3 songs that were just mind-blowing. So those are a lot of factors in my kind of inspiration in my music career.
After years of involvement, these seniors are beginning to see their work pay off.
It feels good getting to like stand up in the front of the stage, especially because I've put in like so much work over the 4 years and before that, so it's nice to know that like it actually paid off.
While Lee Summit West continues to be home to some of the best singers in the state, Titan choirs continue to carry on the legacy. With photographer Ellie Johnson, this is Hayden Peters reporting for LS West Online.